In this video I will take rice that I cooked in Instant Pot. I will reheat it in a bowl and combine with pulled chicken that I made in Instant Pot. Both recipes for rice and for chicken are in a description. Link to the video recipes. This is video recipe channel. Alright. Now I'm going to reheat this chicken in microwave and pull it apart. Meanwhile, I'm gonna reheat the rice and put chicken on top of the rice. 2 minutes for chicken. Meanwhile, let's get the rice. Chicken is done. I'm gonna stick it for 1 minute. And I also like balsamic vinegar. It's not soy sauce. Maybe I'll add small splash of water. 1 minute. Meanwhile, I'm going to pull this chicken. I don't need to pull it too much because I have enough chicken for every bite of rice. I would like to improve it with a little bit of tapatio. And balsamic vinegar. Maybe fresh pepper. Here's rice, and I will combine it with chicken. Also, I will add some cheese on top. I'm not going to melt cheese in microwave. I let it do its thing, soak the chicken juice. Subscribe for more delicious Instant Pot recipes.